keep your hands up, right? By your feet, not like this. Cause somebody, if I got it like this, they can still send a punch. Smack, they smack it. So make sure it's by your feet. So kind of like this, right? Turn your, it feel weird, it's supposed to. You really like this, and then you just turning your body. You know what I'm saying? There we go. So go in the right hand, boom. Make sure you turn it, boom.
What if they try to punch you at the same time?
Exactly. Look though, so if they try to punch you at the same time and you coming in, right? It's so many things you could do. It's just like you could counter, you could weave, you could duck. They call this the line. So when you fight somebody, they call it a line. So if I'm fighting you, it's a straight line. When I'm punching, I'm getting off the line. So if I'm punching and I'm coming this way, I'm off the line, right? Because this is the punch, boom, boom, this is your head. This is the line, this is where they aiming at. You feel me? So if they throwing a punch at the same time, it really comes to distance. So put your hand up, put your hand up. I'm taller than you, right? I'm gonna hit you before you hit me, right? So if the person's shorter than you, right? Boom. Say if I'm shorter than you, you got a longer reach, right? So that's important too to keep on. So if you fight somebody that's shorter than you, always remember my arm is longer than theirs. So I can always hit them with a punch and they can't touch me because my arm is long. You see what I'm saying? But if you're saying you just want to practice the jab, get back in your position, boom, and then slow motion. That's all I want you to practice now with your left hand. This is what we call a jab. So do it slow.
Twist his leg.
Don't do nothing. All you gotta do is don't even move your body. All you gotta do is move your arm. Boom. Do it slow. Actually touch it though. Move up a little bit. So boom, and there we go. And you wanna have it right here. Why? Because when you're fighting somebody, this is what they're gonna get knocked out. So it hurt more. Here we go. So any pressure to the chin with this knuckle, you sleep. You feel me? That's why I practiced it, and then fast motion is gonna look like. But you always turning it, right? So turn and make sure it's always turned like that. So have it strong. When it come in, boom. Your hand could be open. See how my hand's open? And then when I'm coming, it's closed. Or since you're new to it, you can have it closed. Boom. But it's faster when your hand is open and you're coming in like that. But you want to keep it simple. Have it closed. Boom. And then just practice that.